Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the navigation volume on your Honda Odyssey while you're driving. Because sometimes either your AC is too loud or the radio is too loud or whatever you're listening to is too loud and you can barely hear the navigation. You want to adjust it while you're driving so you don't get lost. But first I'm going to show you how to do it while you're still parked before you leave the house. Alright, so here it is. While you're parked, start the car, go to settings, go to system volume, and you can adjust the volume from here before you start driving. So usually leave it in the middle area, 5 or 6 might be too loud, so 6 might be too loud, 5 might be too loud, so like right here, or 3 or 4 might be good, and save. Alright, so now while you're really driving and you can't barely hear it, here's how you do it. If you just touch this, you see that thing just for your volume on your car, whatever you're listening to, like radio or your USB. That's how you adjust the volume. But when you want to change the navigation, let me put an address here, and so I can demo the. I'll show you what to see when you're adjusting. So you can change the volume while the navigation is talking.
Please drive to highlighted route.
It changes. See that? It changes. Let me do that again. What I did was I used this one to adjust the volume, just like you're regular adjusting the volume in your car. You can use this to adjust the volume in navigation while it's talking. You can also use the one by on the steering wheel. So let me do that again. While I'm doing this, I'm pointing here. So, see my finger here, see my finger here. So let me put a address. Alright, watch. Start your route. When you start talking, you
please drive to highlighted route.
So it changes. Alright, so that's how you change the volume on your navigation while you're driving. When it's talking, the navigation is talking, then you can adjust the volume. When it's done talking, then you won't be able to change it unless it's talking again. And like I said, you can also do that on the pedal, on the steering wheel volume knob. Alright, that's it. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.